Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about interpolation by which we can achieve one-way data binding. So here by the help of interpolation we can dynamically change the data which we want to show in the web browser. So this is the symbol or syntax of interpolation. Here in the diagram, as you can see, the data flows from the component class file to the view file. So let's jump into the code. So here I have created a new project, data binding. So if we go inside the source folder inside the app component, if you go app component.html, here the static data is written welcome to Angular series inside of the h1 tag. So if you go into the TypeScript file, here you can see the title property is declared with a value Sumit. So what we want this title property should render in the web browser. So for that we will use the simplest method of one-way data binding, which is interpolation. So we'll go here. Suppose we want to show welcome Sumit. Then what we have to do, we have to just copy this title property and just paste it here, then Control S. Then if we head into the web browser, you can see welcome Sumit is coming. So by the help of interpolation we can achieve one-way data binding. That means the data flows from the class file to this HTML file. So apart from this string interpolation, we can also do string concatenation. That means here we are showing welcome Sumit, we can add a greetings message to this welcome Sumit. So let's see how we can do it. So here we will write down plus in string good morning. So if save and go into the browser, so here you can see welcome Sumit, good morning is coming. Also by the help of interpolation we can achieve arithmetic operation. That means if you take another example, here we can add two numbers. So if you save and head into the browser, you can see the 4 is coming. Here also we can multiply two numbers. Here you can see the result is 8 coming. Also we can use JavaScript properties inside of the interpolation. So let's take an example. Here we will use length property. So if you head into the browser, here you can see the length is 5 coming, which is the length of title. Title value is Sumit. So this is a 5-letter word. Also by the help of interpolation we can use uppercase and lowercase pipe. Like if you want to title in the uppercase, then you can use the uppercase pipe here. If you save and head into the browser, you can see the title Sumit is coming in uppercase. So by the simplest method of one-way data binding, which is interpolation, you can achieve all these things. So this is all about interpolation. In the next video we will learn about property binding. If you want more short videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the